In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Cursor AI in Android Studio. We'll walk through a simple path to discover the Cursor AI plugin right inside the IDE, so you can quickly understand where to find it and what to look for before deciding how you want to proceed. First, launch Android Studio. Give it a moment to load your workspace and index files. An up-to-date Android Studio generally provides the smoothest plugin experience, and a reliable internet connection helps the plugin catalog load quickly. If a large project is open, don't worry. This process is done from the IDE settings and won't affect your code. Next, open the Plugins area in Settings. On Windows or Linux, you can reach this from the File menu and then Settings. On macOS, open Preferences from the Android Studio menu. In the Settings or Preferences window, look at the sidebar and select Plugins. This is the built-in marketplace where you manage extensions that enhance your development workflow. You'll see two important sections here: Installed, which lists what you already have, and Marketplace, which is the catalog of everything available to explore. Now, use the Marketplace search bar to look for Cursor AI. Type the name exactly as you expect it to appear, and wait a moment for the results to populate. When the results show up, scan for the entry that matches Cursor AI. Take a moment to open its details page and read the overview. This is the best spot to learn what the plugin offers, things like assisted code generation, context-aware suggestions, or inline explanations, and to confirm it aligns with your workflow. Check the version compatibility to ensure it supports your current Android Studio build. It's also helpful to glance at ratings, reviews, screenshots, and the changelog. Those give you a quick sense of how actively it's maintained and what recent updates have been made. If you don't immediately see Cursor AI, confirm you're on the Marketplace tab rather than installed, and try adjusting your search terms. Shortening it to Cursor, for example, can surface closely named results. If results still don't appear, give the Marketplace a moment to refresh or verify that your network allows plugin catalog access. That's all there is to it. You open Android Studio, navigate to the Plugins section, and search for Cursor AI. From there, the details page gives you everything you need to evaluate features, compatibility, and quality before taking your next step. Thanks for watching, and feel free to pause and replay these sections as you explore the plugin catalog inside Android Studio.